Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Citi Diamond Preferred versus Simplicity. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're trying to figure out whether Citi Diamond Preferred or Citi Simplicity is the better move for your wallet, now it really comes down to what kind of financial breathing room you need right now. Now, neither of these cards is going to hand you a flashy cashback or travel points here. Instead, they are both designed to do one specific job exceptionally well, and that is stopping high interest dead in its tracks. Now, if you're currently carrying a heavy balance on another credit card and your primary goal is to wipe out that debt, the Citi Diamond Preferred is going to be your best bet here. Now, it gives you a massive 21 months of 0% introductory interest here on balance transfers. That is almost 2 full years to aggressively chip away at your actual principal balance without a single penny of interest dragging you backward. Now, the main trade-off that you may need to keep in mind here is that it only gives you 12 months of 0% interest on new purchases. So it is truly built to be a pure debt paydown machine. Now, on the flip side here, if you're looking to finance a major upcoming expense like buying new appliances or funding a home renovation project here, the Citi Simplicity is probably the much better option for you. Now, it completely matches its 0% introductory rate on both new purchases and balance transfers for a flat 18 months, even though its balance transfers timeline is 3 months shorter than what you get with Diamond Preferred. Having that extra half year of 0% interest, specifically on new purchases, gives you way more flexibility to buy but what you need today and pay it off over time and completely interest free. Now, the real tiebreaker here with Simplicity Card, though, is just how completely forgiving it is. Now, if you make a mistake, it famously charges absolutely no late fees and has no penalty interest rate ever. So if life gets crazy busy and you accidentally miss your payment due to date by a day or two, you won't get slammed with $40 fee or watch your interest rate skyrocket to 30%. So the Diamond Preferred doesn't give you that safety net. So an accidental slip up here, there will cost you right away. But yeah, but still, both cards carry a flat $0 annual fee and charge a standard upfront 3% balance transfer if you move that over in the first 4 months. Now, at the end of the day, you just have to look at your goals. So go with the Diamond Preferred if you want the absolute longest runway possible to kill off all debt. But pick the Simplicity here if you are making new purchases or just want total peace of mind. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.